Hi, I'm Meredith from Peachie Speechie. I'm a speech-language pathologist, and today we are going to practice saying final consonants together. So what are final consonants? Final consonants are the ending consonant sound in a word, that ending sound. So for example, in the word bat, the t sound is the ending sound or final consonant. It is so important to include your final consonants in your word, because if you leave off that ending sound, you change your word. For example, if I wanted to say the word bat, but I left off my T and said ba, that's not right. That's the sound a sheep makes. I wanted to say the word bat, so I need to bring back my T and make sure to put on my ending sound, bat. Now, let's practice a couple more together. Our word is team, like you're on a soccer team. The final consonant is the M sound, mm. So if we take away the M, then we have T. That's not what we want to say. Tea is a yummy drink, but that's not the word we were trying to say. Let's bring back the M and say team. You try. Team. You try. How did you do? Our next word is seat. The final consonant is the T sound, t. Seat. If we take away our T and we don't say it, then we have the word see. That's not what we wanted to say. Let's bring back our T sound and say seat. Now I'm going to say it and you say it after me. Be sure to include that final consonant. Seat. You try. Seat. You try. How did you do? Here's a little trick to help you remember your final consonant sound. You can take your finger and drag it along a piece of paper for the first part of the word and then tap for the final consonant. So for example, if my word is bat, I could say bat and tap for that final T. Or if my word is team, I could say team. And when I say that ending m sound, I tap right here. Listen to me as I say the ending sound in each word. Moon, peak, goose, nose, race, bean, soup. Did you hear all those ending sounds? You are doing a great job. I think you're ready to practice by yourself. You're going to see sets of words pop on your screen. These words are called minimal pairs. That means that the first word doesn't have a final consonant, and the second word is pretty much the same as the first one, but it has a final consonant. It has that ending sound we've been practicing. For example, you're going to see moo, like a cow, and moon, with that ending N sound. So you would say moo, moon, when you practice. Great job practicing. I made a little song to help you remember final consonants. It goes like this. Don't say ba, say bat. Don't say see, say seat. Don't forget your ending sounds. Now your word's complete. Now I'm going to sing it again and you can sing with me. Don't say ba, say bat. Don't say see, say seat. Don't forget your ending sound. Now your word's complete. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you practice your final consonants. If you feel like you need a little more practice, just play the video again. To the parents and speech-language pathologists watching this video, I wrote a really helpful workbook. It's called I Can Say Final Consonants, and it goes step by step through teaching final consonants. It has tons of visuals and practice opportunities. So you can download that book at peachiespeechie.com. We also have tons of apparel, fun things like pillows and mugs and tote bags, tons of great gifts for speech pathologists at peachiespeechie.com. So be sure to check those out as well.